So a few of the things that RIVANNA is very proud of over the last 5 years, huge accomplishment was actually moving from Water Street into the building that they're in now. So that's a big step up, moving into an actual manufacturing space with office space. So moving from probably something less than 700 square feet to something upwards of 10,000 square feet. At that same time, they were awarded the BARDA contract. So back in 2019, RIVANNA was able to partner with BARDA, which is the Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority. And so that contract came with a stipulation that during the base period, they had to fulfill certain milestones in order to continue the contract. And so I think the initial awarding of that contract would have been probably like the standout moment in the company's history. That's really where the trajectory of RIVANNA changed. And so that really started the significant growth that they saw.